All right, so I want to talk about a frustratingly asinine experience with Amazon. I ordered a bunch of stuff that I needed. A degreaser to work on my trailer, some thermal paste to fix a computer, and some guitar strings to fix a broken guitar. And it was supposed to be there like the next day. A few days later, I get an email from Amazon saying, unfortunately, a problem occurred during shipping and we had to cancel your delivery. The package is being returned and we will issue a refund within 3 to 5 business days after the return is processed. We're so sorry for the inconvenience. So instead of just sending me all this stuff again, like I need, desperately, I got to sell this freaking computer and this trailer that I'm trying to fix up, and I'm in the process of moving. I need this stuff. They take it back. So I'm rather frustrated with this. I leave a review and basically said it was never delivered. I was told, and then I repeat exactly what they told me. They canceled all the reviews and said, after carefully reviewing your submission, your review could not be posted. So then they say, okay, if it's about the seller, which they were the fulfiller, they were the seller of each of these items, every one of them. It wasn't independent sellers, it was all them. So they say, feedback on the seller or your shipment experience should be provided at Amazon, blah, 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 blah. So you go to that link and guess what? Sorry, we couldn't find that page. Is this a pile of steaming bovine feces or what? You can't even review their malfeasance, their failure. You can't even warn anybody about them. This is asinine. I mean, over this lockdown, they pretty much destroyed all the independent businesses. You can't just go to town and get this stuff anymore unless you get it from the massive corporate entities or you get it from Amazon. And this is how they're dealing with us. And you can't even review them on this. So I'm going to make this review and hopefully it doesn't get kicked off of YouTube. Anyway, I would seriously not use these people for anything anymore. Support your independent local businesses. Put an end to this BS. Thank you.